Good morning, children. This is Sir Saroj. Today, I am going to discuss regarding density and speed. This is the second video to chapter physical quantities and measurements. In the previous video, I have discussed physical quantities, measurements, area, volume, and their measurements. If you have missed that video, I will request you to watch because that will supplement your learning for this video. Dear children, let us understand what is density. Density is defined as the mass per unit volume of an object or substance. Before I go deep into the topic, first I will make you to move in and around the Berhampur town. Dear children, probably you could be visiting the petrol pumps along with your parents when they pour the petrol in the vehicle. And if you could be noticing, the meter reads three parameters. One is for the price for which the petrol has been poured. Second is the quantity of the petrol poured. And third is the density. Have you any time there is a question in your mind why the density is mentioned over there? If you do not have such question, today you should put to yourself. Number one. The second example I will give you, that whenever you are going to purchase the milk from the milk store, you don't see anything, just you pay the money and take the milk. Come to the reverse way. Suppose you are a milk seller, you are going to sell the milk. Whenever you are selling to the milk, either to the Omped or any other company, they will be purchasing, and during that time they will be measuring density by using a device known as a lactometer. Then only they will be getting the milk. They will be taking the milk from you. That means it proves that density is nothing but a quality check. That means to understand the purity of the substance, density is necessary. Now I will go deep into the topic. If I ask a question, which is heavier, 1 kg cotton, 1 kg iron? Somebody will say cotton, somebody will say iron, somebody will say both has the same mass. Yes children, I will go with the third answer, both has the same mass because both is 1 kilo each. So mass has no change. But definitely volume is different, so density also different. Suppose you go for iron, it will occupy less space, so its density is more. On the other hand, cotton will occupy more space, so its density will be definitely low. The substance which has the higher density occupies more space for the same mass of the substance, so its volume is more. Similarly, the substance which has the heavier density occupies less space for same mass of the substance, so volume is less. Definitely, density is a derived quantity because it is derived from mass and volume. And the formula we use for the calculation of the density is nothing but density is equal to mass upon volume. The unit in SI system is kg per meter cube, and in CGS system that is gram per centimeter cube. Whenever you want to measure for the regular solids, the volume you can calculate by using formula. So density is equal to mass upon volume. Whenever you go for irregular objects, you need to determine by dipping inside a liquid. So the formula goes like this: density is equal to mass upon V2 minus V1. That is, V2 is the final volume, V1 is the initial volume. And there is an interesting factor here. you have to remember that 1000 kg per meter cube is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube. This is a conversion. Okay, if you have a question, you can think of later on this, but you remember this to be used for the calculation purposes. Now I am going to discuss regarding speed. Speed is nothing but the rate of change of distance covered by the object with respect to time is called speed. That means speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. Since distance is covered is measured in meter and time taken measured in second, so SI system becomes meter per second. This is the unit. Now if you go to other units, this may be kg per hour, kilometer per minute, etc. are the other units. Now let you understand the concept of speed. An express train reaches from Berhampur to Bhubaneswar and time taken is 2 hours 30 minutes. Another train, which is a passenger train, covers the same distance in 3 hours 45 minutes. Now question is that whose speed is more? Definitely the train covered same distance in less time, that is your express train, the speed is more. Apart from this, you need to understand what is average speed, what is instantaneous speed in the higher classes. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like and share the video.